Black Poetry Day. U.S. Black Poetry Day is celebrated every year on October 17th to honor all the talented African American poets, both past and present. That's what I thought. That was my first guess. What am I going to do here? I'm going to use this brush. There we go. And not connect that line on purpose. You may be saying to yourself, Bill, you forgot to connect that line. I did not forget. It's an effect because the light is coming from that direction. What size do we have here? 17. Let's make it a 12, shall we? Black poetry is when you write about the color black versus a red. Panic is black, or blue, or red too, or other colors, in fact. Well done. I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore. I want them to turn black. That's my favorite poem about the color black. Knuckles. We are... Oh, so yeah, I was going to say something about The Chosen. The new Chosen trailer is foreboding. It is dark clouds. If you've read the Bible, you will not be surprised when I say things like Lazarus. I think he was outside of Lazarus' tomb. I think he was... Now, based on the images that I've seen, I'm guessing that I saw him outside of a tomb. Not inside a tomb, but outside of a tomb. I saw Judas with a pouch of money. What else did I see? I saw James pull out a sword. Parts of the end of the gospel. Very well put. Parts of the ends of the gospel, yes. Yes, these are all parts of the ends of the gospel. I hope there will be a season 5 with X. Actually, um, Dallas, not Dallas Goddard. He's a football player. Dallas Jenkins says that there was going to be 7 seasons. So that's what I was expecting. I was expecting that they were going to take 6 seasons for the life of Jesus, and then the last season was going to be his crucifixion. So so we'll see. We'll see what is happening there. What? Hello? There, who's there? Is there somebody behind me? So who's laughing? Who's growling? Is it Halloween already?
What?
Uh, oh, I know who it is. It's David Joseph. Hello? Okay, all right, that's my ear. So say hi to the people so they can hear you. They heard you. I'm quite certain they heard you that time. Usually he waves at the microphone. So um, what time is it? It is 6:36. I will be up. I can't see you when you're behind my back. Okay. Oh, there you are. Thank you for showing me your face. Okay, gentle. Let's see. Yaikman here says hi to the person. Oh, I see what you said. I see what you did there, Yaikman here. All right. We're still drawing. I will be up at 7 o'clock.
Will we put sound tomorrow?
Wait, what?
Outside?
It's gonna be dark at 7 o'clock.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes. Yes, we can. All right. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay. See you at dinner. All right. Where were we? We were pointing the finger. Pointy finger. So we were talking about Chosen. Yes, 7. I can't remember if Dallas said 7 years or 7 seasons. So I think it takes longer than a year to make a season because they started in 2017 and 7 years, that was about 7 years ago. 2024 would make it 7 years. So I do want there to be more seasons with the Book of Acts. I think that would be awesome. But we will see. I think that they're going to end it with the crucifixion. Sorry to say. I did not start out as a Chosen fan. I'm very picky when it comes to my Christian media. I was very much against that NBC show called AD. I did not like the History Channel's version of the Bible, which they called the Bible. They had the nerve to call the Bible. The nerve. The nerve you have to call it the Bible. Yep. 2017 plus 7 equals 24. Ritzy Bible nerve. What else was I going to say? Oh, about this frame. So, it is my interpretation of Joseph. So, when you read Genesis, the chapters that Joseph is in, uh, at a surface level, you think that